In this video, I will show you how to highlight dates in the same month and year in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have transaction amounts and dates in these columns. Now I want to highlight the transaction dates having the same month and year as the date in cell E3. To do that, I will use the Excel text function. The text function, as the name suggests, converts a number to text in the specified format. This function accepts two arguments, a number to convert to text and the format of the output. There are a variety of formats to choose from, but for this particular case, we can use the format MYY to convert a date to a month and year number. For example, this text formula will return 12/2025 by converting the date 15th December 2025, and this text formula will return the text 6/2024, where 6 is the month number of June followed by the year number 2024. Once we get the month and year number from the date, I will compare it with the month and year number of the date stored in the E column. If they are the same, then the date is in the same month and year, otherwise it is not. Let's create a formatting rule based on this. Select the range of the cells containing dates. Now go to the Home tab, click the conditional formatting option and then select the new rule menu item. Select the use a formula to determine which cells to format option from the rule type list. Now we need to enter a custom formula that either returns a true or false value. I will use this formula to compare the month and year of the date stored in the first cell C3 to the month and year of the date stored in the E3 cell. Excel will automatically apply this formula to the remaining cells in the selected range. I will also make the E3 cell reference absolute using the dollar signs like this so that it does not change when Excel applies this formula to other cells. Now click the Format button to open the Format Cells dialog box. Since we want to change the cell background, select the Fill tab from the top. Select a background color to apply to the date values. I am going to choose the light yellow color. Click the OK button to close the Format Cells dialog box. Make sure to check the preview section to confirm the cell format. This custom cell format will be applied to a cell only when the formula we entered returns true for that particular cell. In this case, this format applies when the date value is in the same month and year. Click the OK button to close the conditional formatting dialog box. As you can see, all the matching date values are now highlighted in the light yellow color. This conditional formatting rule is dynamic, so if we modify any highlighted date to a date in some other month or year, the format will be removed automatically like this. Similarly, if we change any other date to the date of the same month and year, it will be highlighted in a light yellow color like this. To remove the conditional formatting from these cells, select all the dates again. Now click the conditional formatting option from the Home tab and then select the Clear Rules menu item. Since we want to remove the conditional formatting rule from the date cells, I will select the Clear Rules from Selected Cells option. As you can see, the conditional formatting is now removed from the date cells. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you find this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.